Hey everyone, this is for a 1983 Topps Baseball Wax Pack. Good luck. 5 times, let's randomize. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Okay, Paul, you get the first card. Paul, your first card will be right here. Good luck. There's the gun. Alright, Paul, first card. Steve Comer. Adam, second card. Alan Ripley. Next card, Jacob. Rufino Linares. Rufino Linares. Michael. It is the Brewers batting and pitching leaders with Robin Yount. And Pete Vukovich. Paul. Hey Terry, what's up? Lenny Fado. Lenny Fado. Jacob. Pat Zachary. Jacob. Glenn Gulliver. Jacob. Mitchell Page. Rugging out those glasses. Jacob. That's nothing. Ooh, Tom Verizer. Paul. Dale Murphy. Adam. Bill Lasky. Little miscut in that one. Adam. John Lowenstein. Jacob. Jesse Barfield. Chris. Bill Gullickson. Is that all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, okay. That is 11. Hold up, guys. There is a number on the card saver that's missing. So the count is off right now. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then it goes to 12. So this should be 11. So I'll just fix that real quick. So this is 11. This one is Adams, as I mentioned before. It's just off by 1. $12. There's Mr. 12. Okay, 13 goes here. That's 13 for Jacob. And 14 is supposed to be Bill Gluckson. So it's supposed to be 14. There we go, Chris. And then the last card, which is for Adam, is Joey McLaughlin. A couple Hall of Famers in this pack, just no rookie. There you go, Adam. That was the last card. There's your 83 Topps Baseball Wax pack, guys.